Up close and personal mein today we have these amazing two individuals who are actually a power couple. One of them is Zufishan Hassan. I'm going to call her Zufi. Okay. Power couple, motivational speaker and managing partner of Intech Solutions. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
And then we have Haseeb T. Hassan, who is also part of the power couple, motivational speaker and CEO of Intech Solution. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. I work for her.
Oh, you work for her. Good. I like it. You've set the power right. So, it's an absolute pleasure to have both of you on the show. And I've been, guys, I've been hearing about them for such a long time. My producer and I have been having long talks about what an amazing segment it will be. और हम लोग इनसे क्या insights सीख सकते हैं. आज वो हमें बताएंगे wellness retreats के बारे में. Wellness retreats क्या होती हैं? Corporate retreats किस तरह differ करती हैं? I've myself been to many personal retreats. They themselves have a very interesting life. They too have moved from a very cosmopolitan city now to the mountains. और अब वो किस तरीके से ये conduct करते हैं? It's a fascinating story. Let's hear it from them. Right. So any of you can go first. Let's start with you since she's your boss. Let's begin. Tell us a little about your wellness retreats. क्या होती हैं? How did you get into it?
Because we live in the mountains.
Yes.
And we thought that let's bring everybody there because there is such a serenity there. आप imagine नहीं कर सकते कि शहरों से बाहर कोई जाता है तो एकदम से mind कितना open हो जाता है.
Agreed.
So retreats are of different kinds, but हमारी leadership wellness retreat है. There is a bit of leadership in there because corporates come to us.
अच्छा.
There are two kinds of retreats. एक public retreat होती है तो all executives from different companies come to us. और एक retreat होती है कि customized. एक company कहती है please we want to bring like X number of people here. Can you please supervise us into creating that
experience for them.
Yes.
How lovely. And Haseeb, you were telling me also about this AI bot that you have, and it's a very high-tech sort of a retreat it seems. यहाँ पे तो I don't think कोई भी इस तरह कर रहा है. How does that work?
Well, okay. So the retreats are based on, they're actually called Grow.
Acha. Grow thyself, you would tell.
The name of the book is Grow Thyself, which is going to be, it's actually in print right now, so that's the reason why we came to Karachi.
Zabardast.
And then one of the reasons why we moved back from Dubai after being there 18 years, and we've been in corporate training programs. So we moved back, तो हमने कहा यार कि rather than going to the cities and make money, why don't we bring the people to the to mountains?
Lovely.
So that's how it started as an idea, and then we're so we had our own design, and we sort of like tailor-made the retreats according to the senior management level to give them a break. The word retreat means to pull back.
Pull back. To relax.
So to pull back from your life and then come back and sort of like start paying more attention to some of the things which we have neglected in the past. Well, maybe in pursuit of some other goals which we achieved, but then again health, relationships, so all these things are
what I find really fascinating, and this may be off topic as well, since both of you are doing this for a long time together, isn't it amazing to have a partner जो कि आपसे spiritually भी aligned है? How do you guys I'm sure differences होते होंगे, but how do you make it work, still making it such a big success? I hear you guys have done international ones as well.
Yeah, we do international also,
Yeah, so how is it that you guys work together? How does it work together? Do you have a good team?
I'll tell you.
Yeah.
I think that we've been married for 37 years.
Yes.
And working together for 27 years.
Wow.
So
28 years, 2 months and 5 days.
Wow, आपको minutes और seconds भी याद है. इतनी tough है आपकी boss आप पे.
यही बात है. So I think हमारी personal और professional life इतनी enmeshed हो गई कि उसकी वजह से both of those relationships had a great impact.
How lovely.
और we complement each other and people like it. और वो समझते हैं कि आप कैसे ये कर लेते हैं, आप घर जाके क्या करते हैं.
Yes, that's what I was wondering.
But Alhamdulillah, as we are, you see what you get,
How lovely.
So that's,
and I can feel that vibe as well.
But you were saying about the AI bot. I interrupted.
The AI bot is a very integral part about our retreats. So, I mean, the book is there, which is a self-help book called Grow Thyself, and sort of like it's got a wide variety of topics under one umbrella, under one roof. But the AI bot is a customized solution for each individual. So people who attend our retreats also get an AI coach after they leave the retreat as a follow-up kind of a thing.
How lovely कि ताकि ये आपका लाइफस्टाइल का हिस्सा बन जाए.
Yeah.
ये रिट्रीट जो है वो सिर्फ एक वन स्टॉप सोल्यूशन नहीं है. It's something that carries on with you forever.
Yeah.
How lovely is that? And I think very few people have actually probably thought about it or using AI to that. अच्छा, आप लोगों को लगता है कि wellness retreats लोगों को क्यों करनी चाहिए versus a vacation? Like, why would I not go to Disneyland? Why should I go to retreat? क्योंकि हम लोग आजकल इस शो में और इस लास्ट 10 days में 2024 के we'll be focusing on holistic healing,
Nice.
physical well-being and mental well-being.
Nice.
So tell me from your perspective, कि आपको क्या लगता है vacation से बेहतर retreat क्यों है?
इस वजह से कि वेकेशन में आप उन्हीं लोगों के साथ हैं. आप दिन रात
my God, yes.
retreat का मतलब है
Good job, yes.
अपने हस्बैंड, अपने बच्चे, अपनी सुबह की चाय की ट्रेज रखना, उससे निकल जाएं जो रूटीन है. एंड लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द कॉर्पोरेट, द 9 to 5. पीपल डू नॉट गेट टाइम कि वो अपने पे फोकस कर सकें. तो रिट्रीट का मकसद ही है. हॉलिडे में ऐसे नहीं होता. कोई बच्चा नहीं उठ रहा है, कोई फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी अगर आप हॉलिडे पे जाएं तो उनके स्केड्यूल्स मीट नहीं होते हैं. यहाँ आपको 2 लाइफ कोचेस मिलते हैं जो आपको वेरी नाइस सटल तरीके से सुपरवाइज करते हुए सारा एक एजेंडा बनाते हैं. सो इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट. वेकेशन, सॉरी बेब, वेकेशन के बाद एक और वेकेशन चाहिए होती है क्योंकि इंसान
Just to recover from that.
Yes.
So well said.
मैं यही कहना चाह रहा था कि मैंने तो जिंदगी में जब भी फैमिली वेकेशन ली है उसके बाद मुझे एक और वेकेशन
Vacation की जरूरत होती है. I 100%
बेबी
agree.
सिटिंग मोड खत्म ही नहीं होता.
Okay, so you know the reasons. Tell me one of your most famous retreats you've recently had, which people liked a lot. Any location you want to tell about the experience? What is it like? It's like I wake up in the morning. What is my day looking like? Just tell us the experience so we can, I guess, virtually heal.
So we do it in exotic places like the mountains. We prefer, although we've done it in Ormara Beach and Kundmalir also, and so on so forth, and Hawke's Bay Beach and French Beach. But then again, we actually prefer the mountains. Why? Because the hikes in the mountains, greenery, and the whole चिड़ियों की आवाजें.
So important.
Especially helps when you're doing yoga sessions there, and then sort of like, yeah. So Hunza was a good location that we did last year. And then so that was quite successful. Although the people who initially came to the retreat
from
Karachi, उनके जहाज कैंसिल हो गया.
Oh, ये तो होता है.
हाँ.
आपको limitations feel होती होंगी challenges पाकिस्तान में?
नहीं, मगर फिर उन्हें by road travel करना पड़ा. 16 hours
That's actually
drive.
a lot of fun too.
So they stayed overnight.
It was not fun for them initially. Because when they came to reached us and they was like, why did you choose Hunza over here and everything? They was all came very negative and everything. But after the 4 days when they were leaving, कहते हैं this was a life-changing experience.
अच्छा, so what is the experience like? हमारा दिन कैसा लगता है? हम सुबह उठ के क्या करते हैं? Do we do meditations? Do we focus on the present moment by listening to the birds? Do we have days of silence?
अच्छे से नाश्ते के बाद फिर पहले करते हैं हम थोड़ी देर बाद वॉक हाइक ताकि जरा सेटल हो जाए, हल्की फुल्की हाइक. And then yoga session which goes for about 2 hours.
Specific form of yoga?
Yoga is customized according to the people also.
Yeah, their level as well. But we start from the basics so that आदत नहीं होती है ना लोगों को stretch ही नहीं किया कभी कुछ तो.
So that's something that I've introduced in our training programs in the last 10 years. Ever since I started doing yoga, then I joined competitions in Dubai and I won some competitions in my age bracket.
Wow.
Yeah.
You're young, bhai.
And then,
you're so
young at heart, but 66 biologically.
Yeah,
so like.
Mashallah, but you know, you guys are such an amazing, energied couple.
She's much younger than me, sorry.
आपको ऐसी बात.
There's no comparison. Achha, so this you guys have been doing this for 10 years? More than 10 years?
Well, the retreats, yes. But then again, we've been in training business for 28 years.
20.
So we've recreated ourselves, evolved also over a period of time.
So what I find really fascinating is corporate training कराते आप लोगों को इतने अच्छे तरीके से लोगों के insights मिलते हैं कि जब आप लोग healing करते हो या retreat पे लेके जाते हो, you know exactly what the pain points are. Let's hear those pain points. Stress है, जो भी.
We actually do our homework very well on each individual because this is really high end.
Of course.
So it's a very customized. So some things we address in public, which is common to other people, but many things are one-on-one.
One-on-one.
So when we go on hikes and everything, I'll purposely walk with somebody alone by themselves and so on and so forth and give them a feedback and so on and so forth. A lot of people come to us. A lot of people, like, you know, the reason why Qasim chose the producer of this program this topic is because he knows a few people from State Bank and so on and so forth. Zila एक है हमारी बड़ी अच्छी फैन भी है हमारी like बहुत अच्छी दोस्त भी बन गई. तो she attended and उसने कहा कासिम को इनसे ये वाला टॉपिक पे बात करो. So he is the one who selected this topic for us. So we didn't come here to market our retreats.
Of course. No, he mentioned it to me as well and I think it's great because बहुत retreats हो रही हैं.
ये retreats हमने शुरू की हैं. ये trend setters हैं हम लोग.
Of course, which is the reason why I've been asking कि 10 साल से हो रहा है. It's more than that. आपको लगता है लोग जब आते हैं तो वो बहुत stressed and anxious होते हैं and by the time they leave, can you see visibly it's made a difference?
See, the thing is कि वो in pursuit of their professional careers or whatever and the hustle, bustle and everything, we all get stressed out. अभी आप बात कर रही थी कि mental well-being and so on and so forth with the previous speaker. And then she was very competent also. So ये सारी ये चीजें आती हैं hypertension, diabetes and blah blah blah. So the things that we neglect are basically our health in pursuit of those goals. So those things we address.
Amazing.
Yeah, it could be relationships, it could be their own physical self-love or self-care activities and so.
And self-love is something that really lacks. आपको क्या issue सबसे ज़्यादा face होता है? Because I think अगर हम इसको जाहिर करें तो जो audience में भी लोग देख रहे हैं जो कि शायद retreats नहीं कुछ afford कर सकते and fair enough. How is it कि वो आपसे कुछ tips इस तरह के भी सीख सकते हैं जिनसे उनको भी फायदा हो?
Breaks नहीं लेते लोग. They don't take a break. They don't focus on themselves. And being a woman, men तो फिर भी corporate की तरफ से कई दफ़ा retreats पे आ जाते हैं. Women don't take breaks at all. And that's most important for them to do that. So वो अगर आप छोटी-छोटी breaks लेके अपने पे थोड़ी देर focus करें, थोड़ी देर breathing पे focus कर लें, एक ऑनलाइन मेडिटेशन लगा के ही रोज कर लें, मतलब फ्रीक्वेंसी उसकी बढ़ा दें. सो दीज आर द काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द रूटीन्स एंड द फ्रस्ट्रेशंस
And the expectations as well on women.
Relationships impact होने लग जाते हैं. तो इसलिए जो retreat पे आते हैं ना, हालांकि हम उसकी भी बात करते हैं relationship पे, corporate relationship at work, at home, at family, with children. लेकिन उसका impact families पे सबसे ज़्यादा होता है because they've had time to go introspective में वो चले जाते हैं.
अब हम खेलेंगे एक 5-second rule game. I'm gonna ask questions. You guys, first question can go for you, second for you, और हम इसका जल्दी-जल्दी से जवाब देंगे. Name 3 benefits of wellness retreats.
Self-awareness, a time out from routines.
Yes.
And
a refreshing break.
Yes. Okay, good. Good job. Name 3 activities you do at a wellness retreat.
Yoga, meditation, bonfire.
क्या
जबरदस्त.
बात है आप.
क्या आपका एम्प्लॉय तो बड़ा अच्छा है. इसको इंक्रीमेंट दे दीजिएगा आप. ठीक है. 3 myths about wellness retreat.
कि ये जस्ट वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम है, वेस्ट ऑफ मनी है और इसका कोई लॉन्ग टर्म बेनिफिट नहीं होता. These are the myths.
But these are actually so far from reality. 3 reasons why you need to disconnect from technology.
So heal yourself.
Yes.
And to because mental wellness and all these sort of things are very much related to the screen. So off-screen time is essential. वो ज़रूरी है उसके लिए.
और आपकी डोपामीन बिल्कुल डिप्लीट हो जाती है जब आप सारा वक्त फोन पे लाइक्स देख रहे होते हैं. तो यू नीड टू टेक अ ब्रेक फ्रॉम टेक्नोलॉजी.
सुबह होती है, शाम होती है, उम्र यूं ही तमाम होती है. उस सिंड्रोम से निकाल के उनको एक नई एडवेंचरस क्रिएटिव स्पिरिट पे लाने के लिए.
जबरदस्त. very well said and very well put. And dopamine से याद आया, guys, they have a dog named Dopamine, which I think is so cool. 3 types of wellness retreats.
There is our wellness retreat is leadership wellness retreat.
Okay.
Then there are spiritual retreats. Then they are all just physical wellness retreats जहाँ everything is taken care of. आपको ये नहीं खाना, आपको वो नहीं खाना. बहुत से different parts.
बहुत सी होती हैं.
But ours is a combination between like mind, body and soul. आपने लफ्ज़ इस्तेमाल किया था पिछले इसमें.
Yeah. It's a bumper name. It's a segment name.
Yeah.
Amazing. अच्छा. फिर हम आ जाते हैं 3 things you can learn at a wellness retreat जो लोग सीख के भी गए हैं maybe.
Self-reflection, knowing themselves a bit more than when they came, and then walking away with some decisions, and then also start paying more attention to the areas they have neglected.
How lovely, how lovely. Yes, that makes perfect sense. 3 healthy foods which are served at wellness retreats.
We don't serve healthy foods.
You don't?
We want them to eat as much as possible as long as they burn out. खाबा जरूरी है हमारे पाकिस्तानी भाइयों के
लिए.
But हर मील में सुपर सैलेड में रखती हूँ, हेल्दी ऑप्शंस रखती हूँ.
Of course होते हैं.
कभी-कभी मेरे पास वीगन एक आ गए तो मुश्किल पड़ गई बिकॉज यहाँ तो हर चीज गोश्त में बनती है. आई हैड टू ऑल्टर द मेन्यू बिकॉज ऑफ दैट.
या बट दाल वगैरह तो मिल जाती है,
Of course,
वगैरह में तो
नहीं,
उनकी अपनी प्लांटेशन
मगर पास्ता में भी एग
बकायदा-
डलता है, मीठे में भी मिल्क डलता है.
Sophie बकायदा बैठती है, मेन्यूज डिसाइड करती है होटल्स वालों के साथ. And at times, in some retreats, we have even cooked ourselves for a meal
Wow.
for the people. Because
Wow, are you guys fond of cooking as
Yeah.
well?
she is a master chef, I'm the sous chef.
Wow.
Yeah. I've been wanting to graduate,
Yeah.
but she's not letting me
Oh,
graduate.
man, no, you need to work harder, you know.
I know.
I think you might get an increment.
No, I hope so.
I hope so. I'll put in a good word for you. अच्छा, 3 locations for popular wellness retreats जो लोगों को पसंद आती हैं बहुत generally.
पाकिस्तान की बाहर की तो उन्होंने कह दी. Bourbon, we love it because we live there. The whole area, it's our turf.
Of course.
And then Skardu, Hunza, Sawat में भी कीमी है.
अच्छा.
So all these, wherever there are mountains and water and greenery.
अच्छा, सवात is something that personally interests me as well because बाकी सारी जगह मैंने कर ली, मैंने सवात नहीं किया. So how is that different?
There is एक दफा एक हमने customized retreat की थी years ago.
अच्छा.
At White Palace. मंगोरा के
अच्छा.
पास वहाँ है. काफी वो रोड है, उसके ऊपर जाते हैं, उसके साथ पानी चल रहा है, दरिया चल रहा है. It's beautiful. So anywhere where nature is, जहाँ nature है. अब कराची बीच पे भी हमने किया है because कराची में रहते हुए भी लोग
ये
beach
हमारा
पे
सी
नहीं-
व्यू
नहीं not
नहीं.
Oxford.
अच्छा, मैं
Oxford.
कंफ्यूज हो गई because यहाँ पे तो सिर्फ
नहीं नहीं
एक दोस्त का हट था काफी बड़ा सा.
अच्छा.
घर हट क्या मतलब कि वो हट्स ही थे.
हाँ.
तो वो वहाँ पे हम लोगों ने लाइक उसी की कंपनी के लिए कस्टमाइज रिट्रीट.
Wow.
तो वहाँ पे लाइक सो एक्टिविटीज योगा एंड एवरीथिंग आल्सो.
on the sand.
How lovely.
Yeah.
So healing.
And then relay races and everything also and so on.
How nice. I like it.
And then एक बोट को करके तो everybody went diving also in the sea.
Oh, and safety precautions वगैरह आप लोग लेते हैं. I'm sure
Life jackets.
लोगों को ये concern भी होता होगा, right?
Yeah,
कि
yeah.
safety is taken care of.
हाँ नहीं हम नहीं कर सकते. उनकी रिस्क टेकिंग कैपेसिटी को एक्सपैंड
Yes.
करना मेरा यही काम है.
Yes, and how is it कि fear mentality से बंदा निकले?
100%.
यहाँ पे बहुत fear mentality भी बहुत है, lack mentality भी बहुत होती है, you know. So how is it that you have to have faith in yourself कि I can do it, you know?
अब राफ्टिंग भी कराई हुई है हुंजा के अंदर.
Amazing.
तो वो कई लोग हेसिटेंट होते हैं बट आफ्टर दैट दे आर सो प्राउड ऑफ देमसेल्व्स कि हमने
एक्चुअली
ये
कितने
कर
गोरे आए हुए होते हैं करने के लिए. If you
जी,
see
जी.
as well, उनका जब सीजन होता है, जब ग्लेशियर पे गल, I've seen it every year. It's just stunning to watch.
Right.
Oh my God, you guys are making me miss North Pakistan a lot. अच्छा, 3 things that will help you relieve stress. Generally help anyone.
अगेन जो हाइक है, जो योगा है, फिर उसके बाद जो मेडिटेशन है,
And community talking, connecting, right?
Brainstorming, therapy, opening up, things you don't talk. Unfortunately, हमारे माहौल के अंदर families live together,
Yeah.
but उनकी आपस में communication नहीं होती है.
होती.
Strangers are living together.
Yeah.
ये कहाँ क्या इंसाफ है यार?
Yeah, of course. And काफी दफा हम strangers से बेहतर connect कर पाते हैं rather than अपनों
100%.
से.
बिल्कुल
Right?
सही कहा.
तो कभी आपकी ऐसी दोस्तियां हुई हैं जो कि अभी तक चल रही हैं?
Oh, definitely. हमारी लाइफ लॉन्ग फ्रेंडशिप्स शुरू हो जाती हैं.
Right.
You know,
That's amazing.
it's not a one time thing that आप रिट्रीट में आए यार.
अभी हम कराची पहुंचे हैं तो पहली चीज हमें बुक किसने किया? हबीब मेट्रो बैंक,
Nice.
जिनकी रेगुलर स्पॉन्सरशिप होती है हमारे उसके
Yeah.
अंदर.
Yeah.
Everybody they took us out to Elanto.
Oh, nice.
And then so all the retreat people in the last 3-4 years जिन्होंने attend किए उन्होंने, वो they all were there.
How lovely.
And it was lovely to reconnect with them and they were giving us good feedbacks about the life changes that have actually happened.
Wow.
in them.
And reminiscing about जो हमारी रिट्रीट हुई थी, यहाँ हुई थी, and
And कितना दिल में खुशी होती होगी ये देख के कि आपने जब किसी के साथ रिट्रीट किया, where that person was emotionally at that
Yeah.
point and where that person is now. I'm sure बड़ी sense of satisfaction मिलती है. Because what is life with just making money? It's nothing.
Yeah.
It's pointless.
Many
That
passion-
intrinsic happiness is what we need, what we're chasing after,
No
right? I mean, if you're truly an evolved person, then you'll understand, right? People. अच्छा, 3 reasons why आप लोगों को ये मैसेज दे सकती हैं कि सेल्फ केयर क्यों जरूरी है. सेल्फ केयर क्यों हमें करना चाहिए?
तो जिसको अपने आप से प्यार करना नहीं आता वो दूसरों से क्या प्यार करेगा?
प्यार करेगा. Very well
good point.
said.
Good point.
Very well said. Very well said. ठीक है. 3 things that you can do during a digital detox. What do you suggest?
I think नेचर में आप इंजॉय करें, आप चिड़ियों की आवाज़ सुने. सेंसरी मेडिटेशन भी होती है कि आप स्मेल एंड साउंड एंड आइज के
Yes.
साथ वो आप वो करें. तो वो फोन को परे रखें, कोई बुक पढ़ लें, कोई अलोन वॉक भी कर लें, कोई अपने पे कंसंट्रेट कर लें.
Of course. In fact, guys, we've done a lot of such meditation exercises as well. There was one that I really loved a lot. Focus on your 5 senses as well.
Exactly.
What can you hear? What can you smell? And how does it feel? So all of these things are very important as well. और लोग अक्सर बोलते हैं, चिड़ियों की आवाज़ें क्यों? बट अल्लाह ताला की कुदरत है सो ब्यूटीफुल कि वो चिड़िया की आवाज़ आपको फौरन प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में ले आती है. आप जो भी सोच रहे होगे आप उसकी
वेरी वेल सेड. 2 तरीके हैं मेडिटेटिव स्टेट में आने के. एक तो है अपनी नाक पे, अपने सांस पे फोकस करें, अपनी ब्रीदिंग के ऊपर फॉर अ फ्यू मिनट्स. और दूसरा ये है कि अपनी हेयरिंग के ऊपर वट एवर यू लिसनिंग टू, start paying attention without judging that sound.
Judging that sound. Beautifully said. Beautifully said.